Hi, my name is Sarah. Me and my dogs have been CareCredit card holders for 9 years. There's so many things that's great about CareCredit. One of my favorite things about it is that it's very easy to use and that it's so versatile. I can use it at the doctor's and I can use it at the vet, so it's been extremely helpful in all ways. This is Sydney. She's 9 years old. She's a Jack Russell Beagle. And this is Toby. He's 2 years old and he's a Chihuahua Terrier mix. When I brought Sydney to the vet when she was young, I was told by the vet that she would have a urinary incontinence for the rest of her life, which means she would need to be on medication forever. When they had told me about CareCredit, it was easy for me to maintain that medication every month, which has been amazing because I don't think I'd be able to get her medication every month without CareCredit. CareCredit has been there for me for the past 5 years, and it's been amazing because her vet bills have been crazy. I have paid some medical bills with my CareCredit card, which I recently learned that you can do on the website and the mobile app. So once I found out I could pay any co-pays with that, that's been amazing as well. CareCredit actually means a lot to us because with medical for us as humans and then the dogs, it's been helpful for us in every way possible because we weren't expecting to have Toby. We actually got Toby because Sydney needed a friend. So we were more confident in having CareCredit to help us with a new dog.